what is a view, and also what are the types of views also I have shown you. The first one is database view, projection view, and maintenance view, and help view. One by one I will show you how to create it. First of all, I'm going with database view. And what do you mean by database view? Database view is used to read the data from more than one database table. Generally, database view will work with inner join technique. I think you are familiar with inner join, but I will try to give a brief idea on inner join technique. Inner join means it joins two or more database tables based on common fields, and it fetches only the matched records of both the database tables. Let me show you with a simple example. For example, this is our database table YEMP1, and this is another database table YEDEPT1. Inner join will join two or more database tables based on common fields. What is the common field here? Employee number is the common field here. It joins two or more database tables based on common fields, and it fetches only matched records of both the database tables. What are the matched records here? In the YEMP1 you have 10, and in the YDEPT1 you have 10. The matched records are 10 and 10 here, and also 10 here, also 110. These are the matched records 10 and 10. And what are about remaining matched records? 11 also matched record here. So inner join will join two or more database tables based on common fields, and it fetches only the matched records of both the database tables. These are the matched records, so it will fetches only the matched records of both the database tables. Once again, I am repeating, what is the database view? Database view is used to read the data from the more than one database table. It will work with inner join technique. I have shown you what is inner join. Now I am going to show you the navigation steps to create a database view. Log into SAP. Just log into SAP and I will show you the navigation steps to create a database view. Yeah. To go with views, we need to go with ABAP dictionary. Enter the transaction code as 11, and I am going with views. Choose the radio button view, and here you can provide the program name. It has to begin with GRY. I am starting with G, and DB means database view I have given. GDB view I have given database view. This I am going to give the name as 8. GDB view is our database name. Just click on create button. Here these are the types of database views. The first one is database view, second one is projection view, maintenance view, and help view. Firstly, I am going with database view. Just click on copy button, and here the short description is database view. And now I'm trying to work with MARA and MARC and MARD database tables. First of all, I'm trying to join all those database tables, and I will try to fetch some of the fields from those database tables, and I will try to display the records of all the database tables. What do you mean by database view? Database view is used to read the data from the more than one database table. Generally, we are working with application data. Application data is distributed more than one database table. It will be present in MARA, MARC, and MARD. What I am trying to do here, I am trying to fetch all the database tables data into a single place. Material master data is present in MARA. Plant data is present in MARC, and storage location data is present in MARD. Let me show you once again those things. S11. Choose this database table. MARA contains material master data. This only contains material master data. MARC contains plant data. This is plant data. And MARD contains storage location data. This is storage location data. Now what I'm trying to do, with the help of views, I'm trying to fetch all the data into a single place. I'm trying to fetch the data from more than one database table into a single place. Just let me show you them here. This is a database view. First of all, you have to join all those database tables by using this table or join conditions tab button. Each and every database table contains more than 100 fields. So I am trying to choose some of the fields by using this view fields tab button. And after that I will try to display all the records from those database tables. First of all, I am going to choose this table or join conditions. Now I am going to provide the table names here. The first table name is Mara, I have given here. Now I am trying to establish a relationship among MARA and MARC and MARD. Just choose this MARA and click on relationships push button. Now you can establish a relationship between MARA, MARC and MARD by using this relationships push button. And once you establish a relationship among all those database tables, you have to fetch all those fields. These are the referenced fields. I am not going with these referenced fields. Why? I will tell you the reason later. But firstly, I am going with dependent tables. Don't go with referenced tables. Just scroll down. If you scroll down, it will show the dependent tables. These are the dependent tables. Just go for MARC and MARD. Scroll down. And I'm going with MARC and MARD. Why? Because I'm trying to establish a relationship among these database tables, MARC and MARD. Choose these two database tables and click on copy button. Observe here, I have established a relationship among these three database tables. Observe here, how did you get all these database tables and fields? These are the tables, these are the fields. System automatically join these database tables. How many tables we have? MARA, MARC and MARD. You have three database tables here. Yes, you have three database tables here, and I'm trying to establish a relationship between these three database tables. How did all these database tables join? By using common fields. Generally, database view works with common fields. Database view works with inner join technique. Inner join will joins two database tables based on common fields. Common field is MA and DT here, and another common field is MAT inner here. By using these common fields, these two database tables have joined, and by using these two common fields, MARA and MARD has joined. Firstly, MARA and MARC has joined by these two common fields, and also MARA and MARD joined by using these two common fields. Generally, database view works with inner join technique. So by using inner join technique, system automatically joined all these database tables. Firstly, I have established a relationship among all those database tables. Now I'm trying to choose some of the fields from these database tables. For that, click on this View Fields tab button, and you can click on Table Fields push button. Now you can choose some of the fields from MARA. Just double click on this MARA, and you have so many fields available here. I am going to choose some of the fields. I am interested with MATNR and MTRT and MBRSH, MATKL and MEINS. I am interested with these 5 fields. Just click on copy button. You got all these 5 fields. And now I am going with one more database table. Just click on this table fields, double click on this MERC database table, and you can choose some of the fields from here. MATNR is already available here, so I am not going to choose MATNR. I am going with WEX and EKGRP and MinB and BSTMI. I am interested with some of the fields here, MinB and BSTMI. Just click on copy button here. You also got these 4 fields from MERC database table. These 5 fields from MERE database table. Now I am going to choose some of the fields from one more database table, that is MERD. Double click on MERD and I am going to choose LGORT and LABST from this database table. LGORT means storage location. LABST means this unrestricted use stock. Just click on copy button. First 5 fields we got from the MARA and 4 fields from MARC and last 2 fields from MARD. Actually all these database tables have so many fields, but we are trying to choose some of the fields from here. And now observe here, you can click on maintenance status. It will shows observe here. You can only read database views with more than one table. Generally, database view is used to read the data only from more than one database table. It is unable to change the data, insert the data and delete the data. Just it is used to read only. So you can read this one. And now you can activate it. Generally, we have to store in our local object. If you don't create any package, just you can store in our local object. Click on continue button. Just you can ignore the warnings. It is activated, right? Now you can display the contents of these views. Just click on this contents button. Now you are able to display the contents of this view. All these fields have chosen from your database tables. Now you can click on execute button. Now you will get all these records from this view. 58, 58, this one, 59. Okay. Observe here a material type, industry sector, material group, unit of measurement. These 5 fields we got from MARA and remaining 4 fields we got from MARC and last 2 fields came from MARD. Observe here, database view is used to read the data from more than one database table. It only reads the data. It is unable to change the data. And generally database view works with inner join technique. I think you are clear with this database view. Say for example, if I want to display only the 58 material number, I am trying to display only the material number records with the matching of 58. I don't want to display rest of the records. I want to display only the records what are the matched with material number 58. How to display these 58 records? Just go back, again go back. Here you have the selection condition. Just click on this selection condition tab button. Here you can write the condition here. What was the table name? MARA you can write. What was the field name here? MATNR is the field name. Operator you can write anything. Just if you don't, just click on this. Either you can use eq or equal to. Anything you can use, not a problem. What was the comparison value? 58. I'm going to give 58 here. Just try to activate it. Save, check, activate it. Instead of doing all the steps, you can directly activate it. Okay, we have activated it. Now I am trying to display the contents. But what it is showing, no table entries found for specified key. Actually, we have the records with the material number 58. But what it is showing, it is showing no table entries found. What do you mean by this? Do you think it doesn't have the records with the material number 58? No. It has the records with the material number 58. But why it is not displaying? Observe here. Just observe here. If you go with MARA database table, there are records. Just think about. If you give here 58, it will display the records with the help of 58. Yeah, here the material number is 58 is available. But what it is showing here it is showing it is not available. Just click on execute. No table entry is found. It's a wrong statement. Actually, you have the records with the help of 58. But observe the output here. Actually, here the preceding zeros are available. But in the selection condition, we didn't provide any preceding zeros. That's why we are not getting proper output. Just observe here. We don't have any preceding zeros. But here it contains the preceding zeros. This is the internal format, but we have given here as external. Actually, preceding zeros is nothing but internal format, but here we didn't provide any preceding zeros. So we have to provide the preceding zeros. Then only we will get the output. How can you get the preceding zero? Just how can you provide the preceding zeros? How many zeros you have to provide here? For that you need to know the length of the material number. How can you come to know the length of the material number? Just you can calculate here, you can count down here. Otherwise you can just go back. What was the material number length? This is the material number. The length of the material number is 18 characters long. So here 58 means 2 digits. How many preceding zeros you have to provide here? 16. Then only it will be 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 preceding zeros I have provided here. And 5 and 8. These are 2 digits. Totally 18 digits are available. Just now you can activate it. You can ignore the warnings. Now you can display the contents. Just click on execute button. You are able to display the records with the material number 58. So if you want to filter it, just you can filter by using selection condition. By using this selection condition. Once again I am repeating this one. Generally, database view is used to read the data from more than one database table. It is not useful for changing the data. It is only useful for the reading the data. And database view will works with inner join technique. System will take care of this one. And I have established a relationship among 3 database tables. And also I have chosen some of the fields from them. And I have displayed the contents. If you want to give some conditions here by using the selection conditions tab button, you can provide the condition here. But you have to provide the internal format here. So you have to provide the preceding zeros. Otherwise we will never get the output. So I have displayed this contents. 58. This is about database view. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can post your comments and I will always help to you. To watch more videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you once again. Thank you very much.